Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this portrait Wi-Fi digital photo frame from AEEZO, Smart Life Beyond Imagination. It is a 9-inch digital photo frame, is the perfect combination of traditional design and state-of-the-art feature. It looks just like a standard photo frame, but once connected to a Wi-Fi, it's ready to start receiving photos instantly. Well, nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, set up it to my network, download the app and transfer some photos to this photo digital frame. Inside we're gonna find out a cleaning cloth for the display, the manual if you want to read it is your choice, the frame, some accessories. We've got the power adapter, it is 5 volt 2000 mAh, and the cable length it is about 1.5 meters. And the frame, here we've got a wall mounted hole, power on off button and multifunction button, the speaker, with this plastic we can install that here. Now at this side we've got the microSD slot, supports up to 64 GB of storage, the headphone jack, the USB 2 port is for importing or exporting photos from the USB drive. Because this frame it has a 16 GB of internal storage. Definitely you can store so many photos and just watch it on a 9-inch touchscreen display. The micro USB for a factory technical work, you don't need to use that. And the DC port for connecting the power adapter. Now let's remove this film and reveal the gorgeous display. Okay, now let's power it on. Welcome, never disconnect power when a frame is running. Okay. Always use the power off button on the device to turn Freemio off. Nice, we can choose the language now. Because this is a touch, you can touch control all of the screen. We need to connect to our network. We need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Connect it. Update available, download and install. Okay, let's do that. Choosing the language again. Already up to date, okay. Name your frame, okay, yeah. TechGuru Andrew, of course, thank you. Frame location, well, it is on living room. Nice interface, very easy to use. Let's guide you. The first step on your new frame is to add some friends who can send you photos. Okay, let's slide, generate code, pass on the code, download the app. We can download the Freemio app from Android or iOS. Okay, done. You have not received any photos yet. Tap the friend icon to add more friends. No. Okay. Thank you. Settings. Ooh, it is like an Android tablet. I like that. Manage the photos. We can see the menu. So hide photos, delete photos, import photos, export photos, my friends, display. We can adjust the brightness. Let's put it on maximum. Slideshow, timer, show caption, fill frame, photo display order, reverse photo display order, autoplay, video playback, video volume. You can adjust the volume. Okay, nice. We've got the Wi-Fi, notification volume, okay. Storage space, backup, network connection, you get notification for all that. Backup and restore, help, and about. Check for updates, beta program if you want to join to the beta program. My frame. New changes, new in the version of Freemio. Okay, thank you for that. And of course you can turn it off from here, power off, restart or sleep. Nice. Existing news. Introducing reactions. Let your loved ones know how you feel about their photos. Okay, nice. Now let's download the app. Freemio app. Enter your full name, TechGuru Andrew, yep. Next. To send photos to frame, please ask the owner to the frame for a code. To insert the code, you have to give in, please add a friend. Okay, done. Hello. Oh, there's all my photos. Okay, add. And here we need to add. And this code, I need to install it to my phone here. Okay, done. Now, let's say we want to transfer my photos to the frame. Well, just tap, choose the photos. You can send up to 10 photos. Okay, only 10. Send. Yep, I am online. Send. It's okay, let's move on. Don't show this dialog again. Select the important part. Okay, send photo. And there we've got the first photo. Wow, I like it. Well, if you've got a good camera, definitely it will look great at this frame. Yeah, it looks great. So much detail. Wow, nice. I like it. And I would like to end this video. It will take longer, but it only can send, I can see, 15 seconds. Send. And of course we can slide with my finger. At any time. Forward, backward. Nice. And by just tapping once, we've got this menu, react. And I've got reaction to my smartphone. TechGuru liked your photo. Thank you, TechGuru. Okay. Tap another one, and we've got, you can hide this photo. Gallery. And here you can see all the photos. You can slide up and down. Choose what photo you want to display. There it is. Tap once. Fit to frame. And again, tap, adjust. How you want the photo, upside down. What part you want to have from the photo, and save. Move on to the video.
Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this tap aerator from Livarno. Use up to 50% less water, spray or aerated flow, suitable for
and it sounds very well.
taps.
I like it, but it only have a 15 seconds of video. Now we can go add settings, and here on slideshow, of course, we can choose show caption, fill to frame, photo display order. We can choose the timer. That means how long it will take to change one by one the photos. Okay, 5 seconds. And reverse display order. Photos are displayed newest to oldest. Okay. We've got a video. Gallery. And starting the slideshow. And I can say definitely all my photos are looking great on this IPS HD display. 1280 by 800. We've got a CPU quad-core Cortex TM-A7. RAM, it is DDR3 1 GB. and storage is 16 GB internal storage with expandable capacity 64 GB on microSD. And with the internal storage it can store up to 30,000 photos. And definitely with the app it is very helpful. From your smartphone you can transfer photos to the frame, and at all time you can check your photos from your loved ones, when you are traveling, from your vacation, everything at any time. One frame and it can fit up to 30,000 photos. And definitely you are doing a good thing to your environment. Can you imagine to print so many photos on a paper? Well guys, I can say my whole experience about this digital photo frame was very easy, very fast to set up. The touchscreens, it was very responsive, crystal clear of this IPS screen. And I think it is a great idea for gift. Christmas is coming, well, just buy it and make a wonderful gift to your loved ones. Or buy it for yourself, and I'm sure you will find the right corner, have it at your home and enjoy your lovely photos. And share your photos between your friends and react with emoji. That's a fun part. And if you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information about this product and where you can buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.